That's why FAMU is leading the charge for historically black colleges and universities when it comes to COVID-19 testing. After months of testing thousands of people at Bragg Memorial Stadium for COVID-19, FAMU is making another stride when it comes to more efficient and accurate testing. ABC 27's Christian Thomas joins us live from FAMU tonight. Christian, what's the goal of this project?
Well, it's all about increasing testing at HBCUs, with Bragg's testing site as one of the major testing sites in our area. They're acting as a hub for testing for 7 other HBCUs, but they say this could change how we test people locally as well.
All eyes are on us.
It's a giant step for Florida A&M University and HBCUs across the East Coast.
And that was actually the chart that we designed with the field science.
Still in the making, this former viticulture and small fruit research lab will soon be transformed into a COVID-19 testing lab. Looking to increase COVID testing on the campuses of historically black colleges and universities, Thermo Fisher Scientific putting up $25 million for diagnostic kits for testing, also funding the lab.
I'm hoping for closer to a 24-hour, possibly 36-hour turnaround time.
With lab results taking up to 48 hours, Student Health Director Tanya Tatum says with an in-house lab, that time is almost cut in half.
We can add to the number of people that are testing. It will certainly help with our surveillance testing amongst our employees and students, and still maintain the community site here so that everybody in the community is able to be tested.
Testing kits from 7 HBCUs will make their way to this lab. So housing it means more safety measures as people bring specimen in and out of the building.
It's going to be a completely different level of safety. That's why that suite has been selected, because it's very well self-contained.
This setup, similar to other labs in the center, will have high-tech equipment that have already been ordered for use. Once those arrive, the university says they will immediately get to work.
We'd like to have it up and running as soon as possible, so hopefully, fairly soon.
Well, Christian, we have that equipment on the way, but what about the staff? Who's going to be running this lab?
Well, to start, they're going to have 4 people in that designated lab. Now, that includes a lab director, a lab manager, and 2 other lab techs. Now, it is important to note that that's just the start. If the demand goes up, they could be bringing in more staff. Live at Bragg Memorial Stadium, Christian Thomas, ABC 27.